We'll guide you through how to fix the login or password is invalid on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be frustrating as you're then unable to access your Discord account. So we're going to guide you through what you can try doing to go and resolve this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to get started, come to email or phone. If you have both of these linked, instead of entering your email, if you enter that, try entering your phone, or instead of entering your phone, try using your email. What I recommend you do is you should go and retype it in and just make sure that it's definitely correct. And you do the same thing with your password. Just make sure that it is definitely correct. Then you can press login and go and see if it works. Now, if it still doesn't, what you can try doing is opening up a web browser. Come to Google or your web browser, and it's worth checking the password manager because you're likely getting this because this is wrong. So what we can do is go and check the combination if it's been saved in our web browser or our Google account. So it does vary depending upon your browser, but for example, in Chrome, you can press the three dots in the top right. You can go down, find passwords and autofill and go to the manager, and you can then copy the login and the password there. If you're doing this in your Google account, press in the top right and you can choose the account you want to do it with. Let's go and say I want to do it with Rob Tucker Videos here. I could then go and press the profile icon in the top right and press manage your account. You can then press search here and you can type in password manager. Click on it. Then you can go and search for Discord. And I've got mine here, so I can click on it. I'll enter in my password here to verify that it's me. I then go and have my account here and I could go and copy the username, which is the login, and then the password, and I could put that into Discord. Hopefully that'll get you in. If it still doesn't, what you can do is go and press forgot your password. If that still isn't working for you, you can press forgot your password. I'm now going to be sent an email. If you had a phone, you'd be texted something. So we can then go and check that. You can press log into Discord to get in right now, but I want to go and reset my password here. So I'll click it and I can then go and enter in a new password. I've now done that and I've entered in the new password here and I'm going to press login and we now managed to get in and it's solved.